Benedict Arriba from M3 Bachelor of Science Civil Engineering. So today, I will be sharing you the inspiring journey of Dr. Enrique Ustria Jr. So before that, who is Dr. Enrique Ustria Jr.? Dr. Ustria Jr. is a groundbreaking Filipino scientist in the field of pediatrics. He's known for inventing the meconium drug test. His work has saved countless newborn lives and brought pride to the Philippines science. Dr. Ustria was born on June 23, 1941 in the Philippines. He came from the family of educators, and Dr. Ustria persevered through academic rigor and graduated with high honors. Dr. Ustria earned his medical degree with cum laude and valedictorians from the University of the Philippines in 1965. And after that, Dr. Ustria was pursued advanced pediatric training at Harvard Medical School and neonatology fellowship at Johns Hopkins Hospital. Dr. Ustria was made a history by inventing the meconium drug test, a diagnostic tool that detects a newborn exposure to drugs, alcohol, and toxin during pregnancy by examining their first stool. This innovation, now used worldwide, is one of the most sensitive tests for early drug exposure in infants. He also developed the Ustria Vent, an affordable infant ventilator for the Philippines hospitals, and lead research on how pesticides affect children's brain development. In addition, Dr. Ustria worked on food supplement project using moringa snacks, which helped improve children's IQ in the Philippines. Dr. Ustria's inventions have been adopted globally, saving newborns and influencing modern neonatal care. He has received dozens of recognition, such as Best Doctor in America, Pamana ng Pilipino Presidential Award, and lastly, Outstanding Filipino Scientist Award. Beyond invention, he has mentored and trained Filipino doctors, elevating the country's reputation in global pediatrics. Dr. Ustria says that true service to your nation is using your skill to uplift others. His compassion for children and dedication to affordable healthcare drive his relentless innovation. He often returns to the Philippines to teach and inspire young physicians. In conclusion, Dr. Enrique M. Ustria Jr. exemplifies the Filipino spirit of excellence and service. His contribution have benefited children, doctors, and society worldwide. So now, let's honor and draw inspiration from his achievement.